Hey everyone, Crazy Cuck coming at you again from the Ozarks, Missouri. Rain finally quit. There's a little break in the renovations, waiting for an electrician. So I thought I'd do a quick video, and it's going to be one I don't do very often. Product review. Now, when it comes to hole saws, probably everybody's familiar with this. This is what I've been using for many years. And the problem with these is they get warm, they lose the temper, and then the teeth go dull, and then you have to go buy another one. Now I came across the Spyder set. Now the unique thing about the Spyder set, besides how easy it is to put together, you got all the cutters in there. This is your main hub. The drill part fits in there, and you have a little push button that locks it into this groove. Then when you turn the cutter onto these threads, this collar lifts up, pulling back those pins, and when you get it into place, you just pin it in place and you're good to go. Now the very unique part about these cutters, and I'll show you on this one here, is they have carbide tips. Now these cut like you would not believe, and when it comes to trying to get what you've cut out of one of these, it's sometimes a real pain. But because this is a carbide tip on here, it's going to cut slightly smaller than the diameter of this cup, and then what you've cut is a lot easier to get out, which is another great feature. Plus, being carbide tipped, if they go dull, you can sharpen them. So when I found these, they're a little pricier than a set of the traditional ones, but not by much. And they are so much better quality, easier to use, just an all-around great tool. And it even comes with a carbide or a masonry bit. I don't know. Yeah, I don't think these carbides will last long in masonry, but whatever. So there you have it. I'll throw one together real quick and show you what they're like assembled. So that took about 5 seconds, and there you have it. So this collar pulls back, and you can spin that off. This pin here, this button, you can push it and it releases the drill bit. It's very easy to use, very good quality as far as I can tell so far. Drilled a lot of holes so far, and it's just fantastic. So that's it. That's one of my rare tool reviews. If anybody's in the market for it, it's Spyder. There it is there. I picked mine up at Lowe's, I believe. So there you have it. That's a nice short video for now. I'm going to try and get a couple more done here shortly. So as usual, like if you like, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll talk soon.